The all-new LED flush taillights from Oracle Lighting are like nothing else you've seen for the 3rd generation Toyota Tacoma. Oracle's patented lensless design provides unique styling, including this LED perimeter light, super high-powered LED reverse light, and an animated turn signal sequence. Installation is super simple, so we're about to show you how to install yours. All right, so the first step is we need to remove the factory taillight. In order to do that, we will drop the tailgate and remove the 2 10mm bolts that hold the taillight in. So now that we've got the taillight unbolted, the only thing holding on are 2 clips back here. You can use a soft panel tool to kind of wedge back here, or you can really just pull it forward and attach it. Sometimes it sticks a little bit. And then what you want to do is make sure that the clips stayed in the body panel. In this case, it came off with the taillight, so we'll pop this off and stick that back in. Now we just unplug the taillight, and we'll set this on the side. All right, so now we'll go ahead and plug the new Oracle taillight in. In the packaging, there are some clips. We're gonna go ahead and assemble these onto the resistor. We'll have a screw going through here. We'll put a nut on the back of it. A screw go in through the other side. And put a nut on the back of it. All right, with that done, we'll now assemble 2 clips. All right, the reverse light is the 2-pin connector. That'll snap right into place. Now that we've got everything plugged in, we're gonna go ahead and mount the resistor. There's a piece of rail here that these clips will clip right onto. And the idea here is that this resistor is gonna get hot when the turn signal is on. So we want that to be mounted to something metal, not plastic, because it can get hot enough to potentially melt something. So now that that's mounted, we're gonna go ahead and put the cables back in, keeping them away from the resistor. And then the tail light, we'll start by putting the tail light into the existing plastic clips. All right, giving that a little push into place. All right, and then the kit includes new hardware that's gonna hold this tail light in place. So we'll go ahead and put the new hardware in. We'll do a finger tight at first. And then what I'll do is, as I tighten it, I'm gonna push this to make sure all the body lines are matching up all the way around. And once that's in a good position, I can go ahead. We don't need to over tighten these. We just want it to be nice and cinched down. All right, now that this is bolted back in, we can do the same steps on the other side, and then all that's left to do is test the lights.